Beneath the surface of our oceans and seas lies a vast, mysterious world teeming with marine life and resources of great strategic importance. As human activities expand in the underwater domain, the need to understand and manage this space becomes increasingly critical.
Underwater domain awareness.
Or UDA is the ability to understand what's happening beneath the surface. It's about knowing the threats, opportunities, and challenges that lurk in the depths. Why is UDA important? UDA is crucial for various reasons. Number one, for security, which is for protecting our maritime borders and assets from security threats. Number two, for resource exploration, which is for discovering and sustainably harnessing valuable resources like oil, gas, and minerals. Number three, for environmental conservation, which is for monitoring marine ecosystems, mitigating human impact, climate change, and nurturing ways to sustain our blue economy and resources. Number four, for scientific research, which is for advancing our understanding of oceanography, marine biology, and climate change. What is UDA framework? We need a multifaceted approach to achieving the comprehensive UDA. The UDA framework, which the Maritime Research Centre crafted and developed, involves four key areas. Number one, strategic security. Number two, blue economy. Number three, sustainability and climate change risk management. Number four, science and technology, which is about digital transformation. We are incredibly proud to announce that the UDA framework received the copyright certificate from the Copyright Office of the Government of India this year. This milestone recognizes our innovative effort and reinforces our commitment to enhancing maritime safety and security. Explaining the UDA framework. The UDA framework, which is comprehensive, structured, and inclusive, must be understood in its horizontal and vertical constructs. The horizontal construct of the UDA framework. The horizontal construct would be the resource availability in terms of technology, infrastructure, capability, and capacity specific to stakeholders or otherwise. The stakeholders represented by the four faces of the cube will have their specific requirements. However, the core will remain the capacity and capability. Vertical construct of the UDA framework. The vertical construct is the hierarchy of establishing a comprehensive UDA. The first level or the ground level would be sensing of the underwater domain for threats, resources, and activities. The second level would be making sense of the data generated to plan security strategy, conservation plans, and resource utilization plans. The next level would be formulating and monitoring regulatory framework at local, national, and global levels. What does the individual cube explain? The individual cubes represent specific aspects that need to be addressed. Explaining the inclusive aspect of the UDA framework. The UDA framework is a structured, comprehensive, and inclusive framework to drive the underwater domain effectively and efficiently. The inclusive aspects include varied socio-economic, socio-political, and socio-cultural native groups in the larger governance framework. The varied socio-economic strata of society, notably the coastal and the riverine communities, are excluded from the conventional development models. The governance mechanism has to address these divides and integrate everyone into one national, regional, or global framework. How does the UDA framework address the people economy nature triad for enhanced governance? The global community also professes the triad of people, economy, and nature for enhanced governance mechanism. The people component includes the livelihood, well-being of the native communities, social dynamics, and more. The economic component is the growth and prosperity associated with the activities. The nature component addresses sustainability and climate change risk management. The UDA framework consciously addresses all these varied measures of suitable global parameters. Understanding and protecting our oceans can ensure a sustainable and prosperous future for future generations. Let's work to unlock the mysteries of the deep and safeguard our underwater world. Thank you.